This is my 1984 Chevy Honey RV. I purchased this RV almost a year ago with the hopes of restoring it to its former glory. It still has all of its original paint, along with the classic Honey Bee logo. It's about 25 feet long and 11 feet tall. It was built on the Chevy van chassis. Now let's take a look at the inside. All of the carpet is original, as you can tell by the wear. It has a pull-out bed in the back. And a classic booth seating area. These captain seats are so adorable. This is one of the main reasons why I wanted this RV. This is all original dash, and this RV came with only 30,000 miles. This was prior to removing the engine, but that's a long story. This tape player is gonna get a lot of use. I love thrifting for old tapes. I love that it has so many cabinets and this original natural wood table, which I'm planning on keeping. It's just a beauty. I actually love every vintage detail on this RV, and I want to keep and reuse as many things as possible when I remodel it. All of the walls are very solid, and there was no other water damage in this RV, so it was in very good shape. This wallpaper is just so adorable, so I'm planning on keeping that. The stove is so clean, it's almost like they never used it. This is the original fridge, which still works, and I've also checked a few other things so far that I was able to, and most of them are all in working order. Cute little mail holders were probably added afterwards. The overcap area was the one thing I was aware of prior to purchasing the RV. I knew it had some water damage, but nothing that can't be fixed. Not sure why they put carpet up here, but it's all going to be ripped out anyway. Here we have the main water damage spot. The bathroom is actually pretty spacious. I love that it has a bathtub for my boys. Here is some more closet space. And some more additional storage. Overall, I'm very happy with my purchase, and I can't wait for you guys to see this thing when it's up and running.